Hello beautiful students, welcome to class of our beginner in bead course. If you're just joining this channel or you're just watching this video, I welcome you to Bead with Lisa's channel. So on our today's video, we're going to be learning how to make an increase in our beaded mat. So I'm going to be using this pink bead just so you understand the increase method clearly. So you're going to be cutting fishing line and you're going to be inserting that fishing line into this bead here. You can insert it here. It has to be the first bead. So you insert it here, you pull. Guys, don't forget your fishing line should be meeting together. One should not be longer than the other. Then you pull your work. Guys, so on your right fishing line, you're going to be taking 3 beads. You insert 3 beads into your right fishing line. Then you cross with the 3rd bead. Just like this. Can you see, guys? Can you see? Now, you see that our fishing line is facing upward. It is facing here. Now, to make an increase, this is one increase, guys. This is one increase. Now, to make another increase, on this right fishing line, you're going to be inserting 4 beads. So, let's just move this left fishing line away from our work for now. So, on this right fishing line, you're adding 4 beads. So after adding that 4 beads, can you see I've added the 4 beads? Then you take this last bead here, the last bead here. You're going to be, wait first. So this last bead here, you're going to be taking that same fishing line. You're going to be inserting. Can you see this last bead? You're going to be taking this, the same fishing line, the same right fishing line. You're going to be inserting it back inside the last bead here, like just like this. You insert it like this inside. So guys, can you see what we are having now? This is another increase. This is another increase. Now, on that same fishing line, the right fishing line, we're going to be adding 2 beads. Then you take the left fishing line that we've been keeping, you insert it into the right and you pull. So guys, can you see? Hope you understand. So guys, this is our increase, our first increase and our second increase. Now we have to move further. We have to make this roll. We come back and we can make another increase here. So guys, I'll do that off camera. Okay, let me just do one for you. You just insert this your left fishing line into this bead. Then you put your bead, your 2 bead inside the right fishing line. Then you cross with the left fishing line. So I'm going to be doing this normal matting method till this place. Then we do our other increase. So guys, can you see? This is where I stopped. This was my second increase. I've bead my mat here and I've bead till this point. Let me do this so that we can make another increase. you cross, so guys, this fish line here on my right hand, you have to insert 2 beads so your fish line is facing outside, is facing outside here. So let's do that. On our left fish line, can you see the fish line is on my left hand? So your right fish line, you're crossing with it. So guys, can you see that our fish line now is facing upward? It is facing here. So now we want to make another increase, guys. So this, your right fish line, you're inserting 3 beads. Then you cross with a 3rd bead. Oh, you cross. So guys, can you see? Hope you're understanding this increase. Can you see now we have another increase? Now to make another increase on this our right fish line, guys, we're going to be inserting 4 beads. 4 beads. Let me just place this on it. We're taking 4 beads and we're inserting that 4 beads inside the right fishing line. So we have all our 4 beads inside our right fishing line. Then this last bead, this last bead here, you're going to be inserting this fishing line back into it. Can you see? You're inserting it back like this. Inserting it back. So can you see that, guys? So this is what you will have. This is another increase, guys, another increase. So on this same right fishing line, you're taking 2 beads, you're inserting 2 beads inside. Then you're taking the left fishing line, you're crossing with it. You just have to be pulling your work. If you don't pull it, you will be having a very loose work. I'm not sure I pulled this very well. Anyways, guys, you have to pull your work very, very well. Can you see how it is? Because I am not pulling very well. So I've done that. We have here another increase. Can you see the increase is, this is where we started the increase from. It is going up like this. To continue your matting method, you just put this your left fishing line here and you take 2 beads. Then you cross with your left bead. So guys, that's all about increase. Your work should all be going like this. It will be going like this.